Top 5 universities in the US with best rate of interest. Whenever we spend money on anything, we expect a good ROI, don't we? Be it buying something small with a few rupees or spending big, we always expect a high ROI. So why won't we expect a good return on investment when we spend thousands of dollars to pursue our dreams in a foreign country? However, finding the best colleges as per ROI is a difficult task. Making SOPs, remembering deadlines, getting a recommendation letter, while preparing for all these essential aspects, it becomes difficult to do thorough research on the top universities with good ROI. So, to reduce your stress and save your time, we will discuss the top US universities that have the best ROI. Here you go. First, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This is the top university as per our study. Massachusetts Institute of Technology is a private college located in Cambridge, MA. The acceptance rate in this college is comparatively low, it's just 4%, but the graduation rate is high, making 98% graduates per year. As per our research, this is one of the top colleges as per ROI. The average tuition fees are $59,750. The ROI after 10 years is $506K. The ROI after 40 years is $2.4 million. According to the US News and World Report's assessment of the US's best college, MIT ranked #2. Second, California Institute of Technology. The second one is California Institute of Technology, located in Pasadena, CA. The California Institute of Technology is one of the best colleges in the US. This is a private college with a 5% acceptance rate and a 94% graduation rate. The average tuition fee per year is $60,816. The ROI after 10 years is $388K. The ROI after 40 years is $2.5 million. This college is the second best college as per ROI and tuition fees to be paid. Third, Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Now the third one, which is Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, located in Albany, NY. This is a private college. It has 66% acceptance rate and a graduation rate of 68%. The average tuition fees are $39,100. The ROI after 10 years is $376K. The ROI after 40 years is $2.6 million. The average tuition fee per year is comparatively low here, but the ROI is quite good. Fourth, Stanford University. The fourth college, which is the Stanford University, is located in Stanford, CA. It's a private college. The acceptance rate for foreign students is 5%. The graduation rate is 95%. The average tuition fees are $55,473. The ROI after 10 years is $367K. The ROI after 40 years is $2.2 million. Stanford University ranked #3 by US News and World Report as the nation's best college. Though the fees are on the higher side, the ROI is quite good. Fifth, Harvey Mudd College. Lastly, the fifth one, Harvey Mudd is a private college in Claremont, CA. The foreign student acceptance rate is 13%. Graduation rate is 81%. The average tuition fee is $65,954. The ROI after 10 years is $328K. ROI after 40 years is $2.3 million. So overall, this is the fifth best college as per our research. These are the top 5 colleges in the US with best ROI. But there are other colleges also that are equally good. So if you want to know about some more US universities, their ROIs, tuition fees, graduation rates, etc., you can consult Abroademy and decide the best college that suits you. Our counselors will guide you from the initial stage to getting enrolled in the college of your dreams and settling there.